everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you are having a wonderful day, back by popular demand. Stay tuned. Welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you decided to stop by, and welcome to all of my new subscribers and to all of my new friends. Welcome back to all of my longtime subscribers and longtime friends. Thank you guys so much for the wonderful way that you support me and my channel. I really do appreciate it. In a recent video, you saw me make this awesome large planner notebook combo, and I offered some kits on these. Well, the kits sold out in minutes because I only made a few. Quite a few of you left comments about missing out on being able to purchase one. Well, back by popular demand, I am bringing them back today and today only because I only have a few large 2023 calendars remaining. So what I did was I added 2 new patterns to the kits. And if you go out to my website, I think you're going to fall in love with those kit patterns. But if you are interested in getting one of these kits, go ahead and place that order. Don't wait, because I don't have any more of the 2023 calendars to make available on a project like this one. Remember how this looked? And then we have the notebook or notepad here. Really super cute and super easy to make. And I'll go ahead and just remind you of how this one looks as well. So these were 2 of the patterns that I had available yesterday. I do have similar patterns available today, but they are different. So I am offering a shade of blue, and I am offering a shade of this, but it is not the same patterns. So if you are interested, don't wait. I am extending the free shipping on these through today. So if you place an order today, you're going to get free shipping on this. Now, when I say I have limited quantities, I really do have limited quantities. I wish that I had a whole bunch of those 2023 calendars and I could make oodles and oodles of kits, but I can't. So if you are interested, the link to my store is in the description box. I'm also going to pin a comment. And I want to thank you guys for the awesome way that you are supporting my kits and everything else about my channel. You're part of the reason why my channel is so successful. So thank you so much. As always, you guys, please be safe, be kind, be the reason someone smiles today. Happy crafting, and I'll be back tomorrow with another fabulous craft.